Hello guys, good evening. Today I'm going to use this Pigeon Percolator to make hot chocolate. One disclaimer, most of the people they use water to make the concoction, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put milk directly into this jar and so on. But many friends of mine, they already warned me, cautioned me not to use it. It may not be safe. Anyhow, as I already gave you the disclaimer, so this is the Pigeon percolator. You know that three parts are there. If you're the first time user, in India it is becoming a trend to use percolator. Maybe people are not exposed, but even I was never know like aware of this percolator. I should say around maybe 2 months back. Since I started using percolator, I think I'm getting a perfect coffee, even perfect lime tea. You can make black coffee. You can make even tea on this. So I think the flavor is different. I can easily call it a genuine pot of tea after you make it on this. Anyhow, this is the jar where we put milk. As I put the disclaimer, you had to put water in that, but I'm just putting milk directly because in India the milk is not so thick that I felt it was my own Indian jugaad, like why to again mix milk and so on, heat the milk. So then I hope you must be knowing then this strainer at the top. Then I use chicory coffee. It again it works fine for me. Just 1.5. Then we need to close this. The thing is done. Milk down or water as you please. Then your coffee powder. I'm using chicory powder over here. Chicory powder is made of roots. They are saying people claim it is much more healthier compared to the normal coffee. Again, if you want, you can even put chocolate powders direct into it, but I'm not doing it. Once even I tried putting sugar inside that strainer. Everything works fine. It is up to you. But again, the disclaimer: if something happens, you have to depend on your own insurance. Anyhow, this is. I used to make in induction cooker before, but I have found making in gas much more convenient. So keep it in sim. You can see that. Just keep it there. Keep the handle outside so it doesn't get heated up. And I usually take a bigger glass for making, almost like a jar. And what I actually do, I by the time it percolates, I start preparing for my hot chocolate. The ingredients is the chocolate powder. You must be knowing it's in Hershey's cocoa powder. Almost 1.5 will do. Even 2 as you wish. Like depends whether your kids like it little chocolatier or would they like just a more gentle flavor. So then sugar, a lot of it obviously as you're making for your kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm putting it 5 as my kid likes it to be very sweet. So by the time it percolates, let me sip my lime tea. I just made it. I'm just trying to tell you how many varieties you can make. By the time I'll just get my cream. We can always add milk cream. So I think I'm short of milk cream over here. So slowly you will find this percolator. Yeah, it started making little noise. You may not hear, but slowly I thought I'm short of milk cream, but my wife got it, and that gives a kind of thicker character to your